Introducing the 2023 Polestar 2 Lrdm PF, a sleek and powerful electric saloon with 426 horsepower and a 78 kWh battery. This black beauty is not only stunning on the outside, but also loaded with top-of-the-line comfort, safety, and convenience features on the inside. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, from ABS to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, with luxury trim and ambient lighting, you'll feel like you're driving in style and comfort. Not to mention the self-driving technology and over-air updates that make this car truly cutting edge. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Interested? Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive away in the future of electric cars with the 2023 Polestar 2 Lrdm PF.